Hello and welcome to English with Jason. I went to the market today and bought some apples, but they didn't have any bananas. Today we're going to take a look at some and any. First I'll explain the grammar and give you examples, and then I have a test for you, so hang around for that. Oh, and if you're new around here, please hit that juicy red subscribe button. Okay, so some and any. In general, we use some in positive sentences and any in negative sentences. For example, yesterday I ate some fish. Today I didn't eat any fish. Yesterday I ate some fish is a positive sentence, and today I didn't eat any fish is obviously a negative sentence. I had some lunch, but I didn't have any breakfast. I had some lunch is positive, but I didn't have any breakfast is negative. I grow some vegetables in my garden, but I don't have any flowers. I grow some vegetables is a positive sentence, and I don't have any flowers is a negative. So, rule number 1, some is used in positive sentences and any is used in negative sentences. Okay, rule number 2. In most questions we use any. So, for example, have you got any brothers or sisters? Are there any restaurants near here? Excuse me, do you have any honey for sale? Now, these are all questions where we don't know the answer. So in this case, we use any. But we use some in questions when we expect the answer to be yes. For example, could I have some water, please? Now, most people have access to water, so the answer should be yes. Have you got something in your eye, Jason? Okay, you see me rubbing my eye, so you expect the answer to be yes. Okay, rule number 3. We use some when offering things. Would you like something to eat? I have some pizza. Would you like some help with your English lessons? Okay, rule number 4. We often use any after if. If you have any questions, please ask them now. If anyone needs the toilet, you'll find it in the lobby. Let me know if you need anything. As you can see, if and any are best friends. Okay, rule number 5. Now, we use any with the meaning it doesn't matter. Come and visit me anytime. Doesn't matter when. Which train goes to London? Any train. They all go there. It doesn't matter. Where shall we meet? Anywhere you want. It doesn't matter. What would you like to drink? Anything. Water, juice. It doesn't matter. Okay, let's have a quick recap. So, rule number 1. We use some for positive sentences and any for negative sentences. Rule number 2. Any is used for questions when we don't know the answer, and some for questions when we expect the answer to be yes. Rule number 3. We use some when offering things. Number 4. if and any are best buddies and are often used together. And the last one, number 5, when it doesn't matter, we use any. Right, okay, let's check what you've learnt. It's time for the test. Okay, please fill in these gaps with either some or any. Number 1, we didn't drink wine at the party. Number 2, would you like bread? Number 3, let me know if you need help. And number 4, this morning I bought grapes at the market. Okay, let's check those answers. So, number 1, we didn't drink any wine at the party. Number 2, would you like some bread? That's an offering, of course. Number 3, let me know if you need any help. Okay, that's if and any. And number 4, this morning I bought some grapes at the market. That's a positive sentence. Okay, let's have some more questions. Number 5, where shall I sit? Seat you want. Number 6, I'm going to the shop to buy milk. Number 7, if there are words you don't understand, please use a dictionary. Number 8, which film shall I watch? Film, they are all good. Okay, let's check those. Number 5, where shall I sit? Any seat you want. It doesn't matter. Number 6, I'm going to the shop to buy some milk. Okay, this is a positive sentence. Number 7, if there are any words you don't understand, please use a dictionary. If and any, best buddies. Number 8, which film shall I watch? Any film. They are all good. Doesn't matter. Okay, 4 more questions. Number 9, do you have money? Number 10, I'm hungry. Let's have dinner. Number 11, this afternoon I'm going out with friends. And number 12, with that special ticket you can use bus. Okay, let's check those. Okay, number 9, do you have any money? It's a question and you don't know the answer. Number 10, I'm hungry, let's have some dinner. Number 11, this afternoon I'm going out with some friends. And number 12, with that special ticket you can use any bus. Doesn't matter. So, how did you do? Let me know in the comments below. Just write me a little note and tell me what you're doing and where you're from. And if you enjoyed this lesson, please hit that like button. And remember, keep learning because life never stops teaching.